mechanic. It's called Jay, and I'm in the industry around 30 years now. I came from Sri Lanka, came here by the work permit and work for few dealership. Then I thought I had enough, go for my own business.
Our business is Nistech. We've been here for 15 years and we are 100% New Zealand. We start our business as mobile mechanics and we develop up to the level we are now. Today that our specialty is in EV and hybrid batteries. We start with the manual system, so everything was manual, and we never had any kind of like booking system for the customers. Barely we record the customer details, and we never had any inventory management system. One thing is that we are wasting our time, and the second thing is that customer has to wait. We want a system that develop our internal controls and manage our inventories and everything. We did a lot of market research about the software that match into that mechanic business. We found that webSAM, it is a cloud basis, so we don't have to maintain all the servers or anything here, and it is very competitive rates, and the thing is it is a very local, and that is one of the things that we really like. The first thing the customer notices is the format of the invoice, and it's been very detailed, and it developed the customer satisfaction and the trust with us. On top of that, and we have that all the customer details, and whenever they call, say that I want to do this one, okay, we have their records, and okay, we know what we have done, and it gives service reminders and everything, so it is automatically showed the reminders, and the customer is very happy with that one. We are in the process of rebranding and developing ourselves. We really understand where our margins and which kind of operation that we can maximize our profits, and based on that, next year we are planning for expansion even. They've been very helpful again to change our system and to make ourselves what we are now, and their team is amazing.
It's really amazing support with the team, and we are really happy, especially Nish gives really good support.